Alright, so I got cut off. Well, I didn't get cut off. My camera got cut off somehow. So I need to go over these last two problems, these review problems. So up above here was some examples from our notes that might be on the first test. And now this says find the equation of a circle that has 0, 0 at its center and passes through the point 1, 2. So hopefully maybe we remember the basic equation for a circle at the origin is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. If it's not centered at the origin, then we have minus h and minus k, but we're not going to worry about that right now. So it also says it passes through the point 1, 2, so that's up here, and the center was down here. So if we plug 1, 2 in, that's going to be 1 squared and 2 squared. So r squared is going to be 5. Now, we can plug that directly into the equation. So the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared. And some students want to take the square root of 5, which you can do to get the radius, but that's not in the formula. In the formula, it's r squared. So it's very important that you leave that alone for that. Now, on the side, if you want to put the radius as root 5, that's fine, but that's not really helpful because it's a decimal, 2 point something. So, but what is helpful is, if you think about it, if we have a little right triangle here with a leg of 1 and another leg of 2, we can duplicate that in some other places. We can have a leg of 1 and a leg of 2, so that means this point would also be on the circle, and if you go around, we could get several more points on it. We can get 8 points on the circle. Okay, so that should give us a pretty decent, a little bit bumpy there, pretty decent circle. That's all right. Now, we want the equation. Tangent lines to a circle are a special case because the radius is perpendicular to the tangent line. So we want the tangent line through the point 1, 2. So a tangent line to a circle, special case. So a tangent line to a circle only touches it in one place. So the slope here of the radius is 2. And so the tangent line is going to have a perpendicular slope to that. So the perpendicular slope of 2 is, so for the radius, m equals 2 for that purple radius there. So our slope is going to be negative 1/2. So that's down 1 over 2, or up 1 over 2. So there's our tangent line. So find an equation of a tangent line. So this is important. We're going to do this a lot in our class. So the equation of the tangent line, that's going to be in point slope form most of the time. So point slope form is y minus y equals x minus x. So I want you, whenever you see equation of a tangent line, I want you to immediately write point slope form down like that. So that's immediately. And then we got the slope off of there, so that was negative 1/2. Alright, so that finishes up those notes.